person Dr. Ashwin Waghani sir, Dr. Hardeep Manya sir, and Dr. Arul Shukra sir for giving us a valuable time.
Attention quiz participants, kindly remain seated in the hall. We will be starting the quiz in less than 30 minutes.
Proceeding forward for the next session, we would like to invite on the stage Dr. Harin Vadodia sir, Dr. Nishit Patel, Dr. Kalpesh Joshi sir, Dr. Parthiv Patel.
While we are waiting for the chairperson for the next session, I would take a 1 minute out to thank our colleague and who made the initial first two steps. He said starting is half done, right? So I would request Dr. Harish Vastrapura to come on stage, please. Dr. Deepak Viradia, please accompany. We would like to give a sincere round of applause for him. The reason, when we came back from Ahmedabad and put forward to him, and we discussed in our Surat ICCM meeting that we have taken the courage and said yes for ICCM conference, or GUJCON in Surat. He was the first person to say, Lai lo, thai jase. That's number one. Second, to book this venue, he was the first person to come. To get the VNSGU permission, he was the person instrumental in doing it. Because of the multiple health issues, he was not able to wait. But it is ICCM Surat owes him a big thank you and must appreciate. Thank you very much. Really appreciated your words, because say when you are lingering, at that time koi haath aavine pakde na, tai jase. That is what you needed. Thank you very much. You want to say something?